this is India with Designer Accessory Adoption. Thanks for watching this video and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for giving my channel a try. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. If you are interested in anything related to secondhand, vintage, fashion, luxury, unboxings, and lifestyle videos, definitely consider subscribing. And today's video will be actually an unboxing or unbagging in this case from Elle and Emm. So a heated mess posted on her community post about these Toile PJ or Toile PJ. I don't know how you actually pronounce it, but the inspired French pattern from this store called Elle and Emm. So I'm sure if you have watched any of the larger luxury YouTubers, a few of them have mentioned this store, Elle and Emm. I want to say definitely, yeah, I don't even have to roll them out, but thanks to A Heated Mess for posting it, because I really have been considering the Beverly Hills. It was a Troop Beverly Hills shirt, and I slept on it, did not buy it, and now they don't have my size. So when I saw these PJs, I thought, oh, these are super cute. So this is the cute packaging that it comes in. It's like a lighter pink tint, and on the back it just says, "Get excited. Good things await you inside this package." Obviously, I'm not going to show the other side because it has my address. I've never purchased anything from Elle and Emm before, so here is the packaging, which looks really great. It has the Elle and Emm logoed little sticky paper, and it has a little emblem on the front, so I can actually just slip it off. Her store does mostly, seems like more like fashion related, luxury fashion related kind of inspired shirts and hoodies, and she's expanded out to also jewelry and as well as undergarments, I think, too. Is it undergarments? Maybe not, just maybe PJs. Loungewear, that's what I'm thinking about. So I will pop up a picture of these on the person. I'm not going to try these on for you. But this is the packaging, and I think it's a satin, if I remember correctly. So we will see what we have here. Oh, it feels nice. Yeah, feels really good. Here's the top, and I'll pull this closer so you can see the Elle and Emm. And then it has the, I got the extra large size, and it has the tag here, which is pretty cool. Beautiful. It feels really nice, so I'm hoping that it fits nice. I am larger on the bottom than I am on the top, and so the ideal fit for me would be an extra large bottom and then a large top, but because they are a set, you can't do that. But it feels nice. Oh, good quality, definitely, with the buttons. Let me try to get up a little bit closer. I'm just noticing some of the detail. So you have this ribbon here to kind of like finish out the detail. Lovely how the patterns align, so the lion is almost together. They could have done a little bit better of a job with that, but they got as close as possible. And then you have the logo here for Elle and Emm. Just wanted to show that. And it's got a ribbon across this piece right here. So definitely to the standards that you would expect for a good quality piece of material and PJ set. Definitely. So when I think about that, I think about, like, you know, your Ralph Lauren and kind of more expensive PJ wear. Definitely did a good job. All right, so let me do the pants here just to see if there's any cool details. They sold out. When she posted, they had already sold out of my size. So I actually sent an email or added my name to the wait list, and they came back in stock probably within the week that I had added my name, and I jumped on it, and as soon as I got the email, I ordered the pair. They're on the pricier side. I mean, they were like $98, I think, but it is a satin material, so it's nice, and it is well, I was about to say choreographed. It is well crafted, in my opinion. It doesn't look like the, you know, horrible stitching job was done or anything like that. But here are the pants, which are cute too. And then it has the kind of this ribbon and the cuff at the end here which is great craftsmanship as well. I don't see any uneven stitching, any janky type of finishing. So it looks like they did a really good job. And let me just check the fabric here just to see. I keep saying satin because I'm going off of memory, but I'm pretty sure it is satin, but I don't see like a tag anywhere, fabric tag to confirm that. Let me see. Yeah, no fabric tag. I'm hoping I can just wash these. Let me get the shirt. Let me see if it has it there. Just fan it out. So shout out to Elle and Emm if you have not heard of this brand. They are based in California, which is pretty nice. And it's a female-owned company, so I'm totally in support of that as well. There are some loose threads here, but you know, it's not horrible. I mean, that's going to happen. You're gonna have a little loose thread at some parts. It's not like it's unraveling or coming apart, so there's no issues there. I think she did a really good job crafting these. It feels great. I definitely will say great to the touch. I'll have to try them on and see how they fit, but I don't see a tag, but if I remember correctly, it was satin. So it does command a higher price point when you're talking about something that's not cotton. And you know, when you get into the satins and the silk category, definitely silk will be more expensive, but I looked at the description after recording, and it does describe it as a silk-like fabric. It does have the materials as mostly polyester, so I do think for the price point, it is a little bit higher, but you do have to keep in mind you are getting 2 pieces, and you are supporting a woman-owned small business. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have purchased anything from Elle and Emm, and if you like the PJs. So this is what I got, and I'm excited to try them out. All right, so I almost pressed stop there, but thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you'll come back for another video. Bye. The pajamas have sold out, but their fit was great, top and bottom.